In any sequence, Sn is the general notation for the sum of the first n terms of that particular sequence. Now let us derive the formula Sn for an AP. Let's take an AP whose first term is A and common difference D. So Sn we can write as first term A plus second term A plus D plus third term A plus 2D and so on. And the nth term would be A plus n minus 1 into D. The same Sn I can also write as A plus n minus 1 into D plus A plus n minus 2 into D and so on plus A2 plus A1. What we have done is we have written the same summation in the reverse order. If these two equations are added, we get 2Sn is equal to sum of these two terms is 2A plus n minus 1 into D, which is same as sum of these two terms and sum of these two terms. So every pair has the same sum 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and we have n pairs. So the whole thing will be this into n. So we get Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. This can also be written in another way. N by 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. If you look at this part, that's the nth term or the last term in the given set of n numbers. So we can write this as n by 2 into first term plus last term. So this is another formula for the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression.